Hi friends, today I'm going to show how to install XAMPP server on your EC2 instance. So XAMPP nothing but we can use XAMPP to host the PHP applications or websites. So I'll just quickly show you how to install XAMPP. So like I have created this already created a script, so you can use this script, copy and paste over here, and you can install the installer first. So it will take few minutes, few seconds to install. You can see this has been installed. Okay, so we will quickly change the permission because we will have to give the execution. We will have to give the execution permission to this installer. So I have just copied and pasted this. So you can see the permission has been changed. Okay, now the file has been executed format. So you can just copy this installer and paste over here. So this will take few minutes to install the XAMPP server. So the whatever options you can see, you just enter. The default configuration you can select over here. So this is about the. I'll just quickly go over this configuration. So the directory where you want to install the directory. So this is about this configuration only. So this will take a couple of minutes and this will complete. Okay. So meanwhile, uh, this will take time. So meanwhile, I'll just give you some background on the XAMPP, right? So XAMPP, like if you have created PHP applications and you want to host that application onto the uh, in any hosting side, right? So whether you can go with the uh, GoDaddy or Hostingjar or Hiox, whatever the hosting provider services, you can upload your code and you can start seeing on the website, right? But instead, you can use the EC2 instance, or here you can host your PHP application and you can start accessing your application on from the internet. So this has been installed. So I can see now the setup has been finished, and I can just quickly go over here and like I'll check the status of the server. Okay. So you can see the MySQL is not running, and the Apache is running, right? So I'll start all the services. So this will show you again. I'll show you the status. So all are in running state. Okay. So it means we have successfully installed the XAMPP server on the EC2 instance. So how you can validate? So I'll quickly take the public IP of my EC2 instance. I'll quickly take the public IP of my EC2 instance and go to the internet and just uh, over here I'll just enter this. Okay, so this will redirect me to XAMPP. Second. Okay, so this is not working because I haven't whitelisted the security the port into the security group, right? So I'll just quickly go to the networking and the security group. I'll just quickly go open the security group. Sorry, security. I quickly open this security group inbound. I'll for now I'll open all connections. Okay, so this is done. Now you can go and yes, see, this is start working. So the AWS XAMPP also gives us it is inbuilt MySQL, okay, called PHP MySQL. So if you wanted to access PHP MySQL, so here is the uh, option. Okay, but if I click on this option, it says me the configuration or the configuration mismatch, or we'll have to grant the access to this page. So I'll just quickly go to my instance. Okay, here I have listed all these configuration settings. So here you have to go OPT. This location I'll be copying from here. I'll just quickly paste. I'll say LL, and here I'll have to find this HTTP XAMPP configuration. So where here is the HTTP XAMPP configuration, right? I'll just quickly edit this configuration, and we'll find this location, right? I'll replace this local with grant all access. Okay, so I'll have to find. So I'll use local. Okay, so first I need to update grant all access here, and I need to find some other. So can you see any other config any other parameter with local? No, I don't see. So I'll just quickly save this, and we'll restart the exam, because the changes we have done, uh, that will require restart to reflect those changes. Okay, so here it will see, you can see the services are stopped and then start. Okay, then I'll just quickly go here and like okay, so it means we have successfully installed the XAMPP and PHP MySQL on the EC2 instance. In next session, I will show you how to host application on the XAMPP server. Thank you for watching.